flash mob at a party here run by Bonnie. She dances, or I should say she teaches line dance here in the Villages. I'm going to put it on YouTube, but I'm sure the sound, the music will get it knocked off. But this is just an average block party in the Villages.
Come on, y'all. How about the flash mob addicts? The fun addicts. Nice job, you guys. Great job.